Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get dark mode on Instagram for any Android device. Dark mode is Android 10's most anticipated feature, but if you're using a phone with an older version of Android, all you need to do is just download this app called Dark Mode itself from Play Store. Make sure you download specifically this one, as this one has really worked on 90% of devices I have tried. I'll put the links in the description. I'll show you my Instagram first. As you can see, it's white and it's pretty standard. Once you download the app, open the app. The UI is pretty simple. Just click on night mode, that's it. The app doesn't request you for any permissions. As you can see now, the Google search visit is already turned black, and also Instagram. Along with Instagram, the app also works with Google Feed, Play Store, and list of Google apps. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If this worked for you as well, then please subscribe to the channel.